Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen, the place where we bring you divine recipes that are not only delicious but also easy to make. Today, we have a mouth-watering treat in store for you, our savory and flavorful meatball stir-fry. So, without further ado, let's dive into the heavenly goodness. In a large mixing bowl, combine minced beef, grated onion, 2 eggs, breadcrumbs, finely chopped parsley, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, thyme, and ginger powder. You can find the exact measurements down in the description box below. Using your hands, mix everything together until it forms a glorious symphony of flavors. Now, take this delectable mixture and shape it into 1-inch diameter balls. Next, heat a generous amount of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once it's hot, carefully add the meatballs and let them sizzle away for about 10 minutes or until they achieve that beautiful golden brown perfection. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. Once done, set them aside. In another pan over medium heat, drizzle some oil. When it's hot, add the white part of the spring onions and sauté until that delightful aroma hits your senses. Now, it's time to introduce the veggies to the party. Carrots, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and the green part of the spring onions. Sprinkle in some black pepper, thyme, soy sauce, and a dash of ketchup. Stir this colorful medley for about 3 minutes, letting the flavors dance together in harmony. And now, the grand finale. Add those succulent meatballs to the mix. Give it a gentle stir, making sure each meatball is coated in the irresistible sauce we've created. Our meatball stir-fry is ready to steal the spotlight. Just look at this beauty. It's a burst of colors and flavors that will make your taste buds do a happy dance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Heaven's Kitchen for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a bite. Until next time, happy cooking!